Imagine your grandfather's old leather wallet. It was a simple, trusted container for his financial life. Inside, he kept crinkled banknotes, a few coins for the newspaper, maybe a photograph, and a driver's license. This wallet represented a world of finance built on tangible things and personal trust. You shook hands on a deal, you handed cash to a shopkeeper. The bank was a brick-and-mortar building on Main Street, a pillar of the community where you knew the teller by name. This was a system that worked for generations, built on principles we could see and touch every single day. Now, contrast that with the world we live in today. Our financial lives are increasingly digital, a stream of ones and zeros flying across the globe at the speed of light. We tap our phones to pay for coffee. We send money to friends on the other side of the world with a few clicks. Our wallet is no longer a physical object but a collection of apps and passwords stored on a device that fits in our pocket. This shift from the physical to the digital has brought incredible convenience and speed. It has connected us in ways my grandfather could never have imagined. But it has also introduced new complexities and questions about security, privacy, and control that we are only just beginning to answer. This transition represents more than just a change in tools. It signifies a fundamental change in our relationship with money itself. Artificial intelligence is giving our financial systems a powerful new brain. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that can analyze vast amounts of information in the blink of an eye. It can see patterns, make predictions, and automate tasks that once required armies of human analysts. In the world of finance, this capability is nothing short of revolutionary. AI algorithms can process market data, news reports, and social media trends simultaneously, providing insights that help investors make smarter, faster decisions. This isn't about replacing human judgment entirely, but about augmenting it with unprecedented analytical power. One of the most immediate impacts of AI is its ability to personalize financial services for every single individual. It can understand your unique financial situation, your goals, your spending habits, and your risk tolerance. With this deep understanding, it can offer tailored recommendations for saving, investing, and managing debt. Imagine a financial advisor that is available 24/7, constantly working to optimize your financial health. AI automates routine back-office tasks, reducing costs, and minimizing the potential for human error. In terms of security, AI systems are our frontline defense against fraud. They can analyze thousands of transactions per second, identifying suspicious patterns in real time and flagging them before any damage is done. The speed of AI is another game-changing factor. Algorithms can execute millions of trades in milliseconds, capitalizing on tiny market fluctuations invisible to the human eye. But speed isn't just for Wall Street. It means your loan application can be approved in minutes, insurance claims processed almost instantly, and capital flowing more freely through the economy. AI is making our entire financial system more responsive, dynamic, and intelligent. If AI is the brain of the new financial system, then blockchain is its incorruptible backbone. At its core, a blockchain is a shared digital ledger distributed across a network of computers. Think of it like a digital notebook simultaneously held and updated by everyone in the network. Every time a new transaction occurs, it is added as a block to the chain, cryptographically linked to the one before it, creating an unbreakable sequence of records. This simple yet profound innovation creates a new foundation for trust in a digital world without relying on a central authority. Because the ledger is distributed across many computers, there is no single point of failure. To alter or hack a transaction, a malicious actor would need to control a majority of the network, an almost impossible feat. Each transaction is secured using advanced cryptography, making it virtually tamper-proof once recorded. The second revolutionary feature of blockchain is its transparency. While identities can be private, the transactions are often visible to everyone on the network. Imagine supply chains where you can track a product from its origin to the store shelf, ensuring authenticity. Or a charitable organization where donors can see exactly where their money goes. With blockchain, two people can exchange value directly, peer-to-peer, in a secure and verifiable way. This is decentralized finance, or DeFi. It removes the need for traditional intermediaries like banks, payment processors, and clearinghouses, where trust is not placed in an institution, but in the code itself. When you combine the intelligent brain of AI with the trusted backbone of blockchain, something truly magical happens. These two transformative technologies amplify each other's strengths. AI can analyze the vast amounts of data stored on a blockchain, uncovering valuable insights and automating complex decisions. Blockchain provides a tamper-proof environment ensuring outputs are trustworthy and processes transparent. One compelling example: smart contracts enhanced by AI. Imagine a farmer's insurance as a smart contract, automatic payout if a trusted weather source reports a drought. Add AI, it analyzes satellite imagery, soil sensors, and market prices to make a nuanced, accurate payout decision. Blockchains provide a secure way to store and share data, giving individuals more control over personal information. AI can operate on encrypted data without seeing raw private information, a concept known as federated learning. Imagine getting a personalized loan offer from an AI that analyzed your data without your bank ever sharing your raw personal details. AI plus blockchain could create decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, companies run by rules encoded as smart contracts on a blockchain. AI could perform operational tasks, analyze proposals, and provide data-driven recommendations to help communities make better governance decisions. This fusion creates organizations that are more transparent, efficient, and democratic than many traditional corporate structures. This powerful synergy is poised to unlock unprecedented innovation. The rise of AI and blockchain does not necessarily spell the end of banks, but it signals a profound change. Traditional banking was the central, trusted intermediary, holding our money, processing our payments, and keeping the ledger. Banks must evolve from gatekeepers to expert navigators in a new financial sea. Their role: help customers navigate an open world, using AI for hyper-personalized advice and blockchain to streamline internal operations. This requires a major shift in mindset and skills, a focus on value-added services rather than processing. New competitors, fintech startups and decentralized platforms, will offer cheaper, faster, more transparent solutions. The choice: be architects and guides or relics, forgotten toll booths on a new superhighway. Future banks compete on advice quality and seamless integration, helping small businesses issue tokens, setting up decentralized trusts, and guiding customers through digital assets. Resist and risk becoming obsolete. Embrace change, partner with innovators, and transform into the trusted technology guides customers need. The future belongs to those who adapt and design the new financial infrastructure. For businesses, the convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain opens up a world of new opportunities, growth, efficiency, and innovation. One of the most significant impacts will be on supply chains, a single immutable record of a product's journey. A food company can prove its products are organic. A luxury brand can verify authenticity. A manufacturer can quickly pinpoint the source of a faulty component. This builds trust with consumers and creates more resilient supply chains. AI can analyze blockchain supply chain data to optimize logistics in real time, predicting delays and automatically rerouting shipments. It can forecast demand more accurately, reduce waste, and ensure products are where they need to be. This automation streamlines operations and cuts costs. Tokenization lets companies represent assets as digital tokens, company equity, real estate, art, dividing large assets into affordable pieces. This opens investments to a broader audience and allows small businesses to raise funds from their customers. All managed securely and transparently on-chain, adopters gain competitive advantage. More transparency, deeper trust with customers and partners, more efficiency, and more innovation. The future belongs to businesses built on AI and blockchain. Success will depend on the intelligence and integrity of digital architecture. Adopters gain competitive advantage. The stack revolutionizes raising capital and ownership. For everyday people, this technological revolution will fundamentally change what it means to have a wallet and to control your own financial destiny. Your future wallet won't just be an app for tapping to pay, it will be an intelligent agent working on your behalf. Powered by artificial intelligence, it will understand your goals: saving for a home, planning for retirement, investing in your education, and actively help you achieve them. It will analyze your spending, find better deals on recurring bills, and automatically move small amounts into savings or investments optimized just for you. Your wallet will become your personal chief financial officer. The integration of blockchain will give you true ownership and control over your assets and your identity. You will be your own bank. Your digital assets, digital dollars, stocks, the deed to your home, will be held in a cryptographic wallet only you can access. Your AI-powered wallet could analyze thousands of opportunities, present personalized portfolios of fractional assets that match your risk profile and goals. This is a democratization of wealth creation on a global scale. Your digital wallet will hold a self-sovereign identity, verifiable credentials you control. When you need to prove who you are, you can share only the necessary piece of information without revealing everything else. An AI could facilitate this, ensuring you share the minimum data required for any transaction. It means you can send money anywhere in the world, instantly and with minimal fees, without needing anyone's permission. It puts you at the center of your own financial universe, opening opportunities once reserved for the wealthy and democratizing access to assets worldwide. While the future of finance powered by AI and blockchain is incredibly promising, we must navigate the journey with our eyes wide open to the challenges and risks. With blockchain, the principle of be your own bank comes with great responsibility. If you lose the private key to your wallet, your assets could be lost forever. We need user-friendly, secure ways to manage keys, hardware wallets, multi-sig setups, and better UX. Otherwise, adoption will stall. Otherwise, we risk creating new forms of digital inequality. AI algorithms are trained on data. If that data reflects societal biases, the AI can perpetuate or amplify them. An AI loan algorithm could unintentionally discriminate against neighborhoods or demographic groups if not designed and monitored with extreme care. We must demand transparency, fairness, audits for bias, and clear paths for appealing automated decisions. Accountability cannot be delegated to a machine. Established regulations may not fit decentralized finance or AI-driven advisors. Governments must collaborate on flexible frameworks that protect consumers and financial stability. We must also consider environmental impact. Some early networks are energy-intensive. Newer generations are far more energy-efficient. We must promote sustainable solutions. A thoughtful, globally coordinated approach is essential to foster a healthy ecosystem for the new digital economy. We are living in a truly remarkable moment in human history. The convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain is the dawn of a new era for our economy and society. This future is not something that will simply happen to us. It is a future we must build together. Learn about how these systems work. Study computer science, economics, ethics, and design. Be curious and bold. Start a coding club, read everything you can, experiment with a digital wallet, and engage in the conversation. We must build a world that is inclusive, fair, transparent, and empowering for all. This paradigm gives us tools to solve intractable problems: financial inclusion, accountable institutions, and more effective public services. For young people today, you are the first generation to grow up with these tools. Be active participants, builders, and leaders. Learn, build, lead. Be the architects of the next chapter of our economic story. The old wallet of your grandfather is a relic. The wallet of the future is in your hands to design. With it, the chance to build a more prosperous and equitable world for everyone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to learn more about how you can build the future of finance.